All right, let's talk about a feature where the name says it all, due dates. Sure, you've seen due dates before and you might think this is nothing revolutionary, but with ClickUp, it is. Let's check it out. Now, the first thing I want you to pay attention to, if you do not see due dates here, or if you're having an issue finding due dates, I think I may know why. One, if you don't see it in your list view, you can quickly just come here and then check it and then it will appear. But what most likely the issue is that your click apps aren't turned on. So there's two ways you can do this. You can click into the space and turn it on, or what I recommend is clicking click apps so you can turn it on for all of your spaces, because I have a feeling if you need due dates for some, you're going to need them for all. You can come here into click apps, you can turn this on to turn it on for all of your spaces, or if you just have certain spaces you would like to turn it on for, you can select them right here. All right, now that we got that taken care of and you can see due dates, let's talk about why they're so cool. One of the first things you'll see here when I'm adding a due date is that you could quickly choose one of these quick options that we have right here, right? We have plenty, you can select them, they're very helpful. But you can also come here and you can click. So you can click and you can say, okay, I want this to come here. Maybe I want a start date as well. And I want to do it this way. I want to start it on this date and then we'll have it finished on the 16th. That's all well and good. But what I want you to take advantage of is how awesome you can just start typing things in and it's going to show up. And I'll show you what I mean. So let's say I want it to start on Monday. I'll just put Monday. There we go. Or let's say I want it to be on next week. Bam. Or maybe I want this to be next month. I can even just type next month right there. You can really get as advanced as you want. I can say, next October. Anything like that, it's going to pull it right up. It knows to go to October 1st. I'll put October 22nd. There I am. So honestly, we've made this dummy proof. You can type whatever you want. We're going to realize it, and it's going to go to that due date. So it's a really cool way to quickly get this done, because I'm sure you're tired of clicking through calendars, clicking right, and clicking on the number. No, just come in here and type it in. So right now I've got it here, and if I want to type the due date and November 5th, bam, I'm done. I've already set this up. I can keep it moving. All right. Now, there are a few places where you can find due dates. The first one is in list view, as you can see right here. I can come and add the due date. I can remove it if I want and make quick changes. I can also go to board view and do the same exact thing. While in board view, it's going to be a tiny bit smaller, but I can still see it right here. You can change the due dates in the same way. And you're not limited by view. You're not limited anyway. Again, I can still type them. I can still type Friday, and there it is. And it knows to go right to it. All right, so we have it list view, board view, and then also inside of a task. So inside of a task here, I can come and I can also set the due date right here, top right above all the text. And I can use the quick ones if I want to right here, anything like that. Lastly, the last part you will see, I guess, the due date. You can always use the new task screen right here at the top right, and then you can select it here as well. So I can just come right here, click due date, and I can get to typing. All right. As always, we think we did a great job on this feature, but we'd love to hear your feedback. If you see anywhere we can improve, feel free to reach out to us at help@clickup.com. Thanks. Have a great day.